Be ready? Start. We shall now refer to the facts of the other connected appeals since some of the issues which arise for consideration in all those appeals are common. The Punjab Roadways has preferred all these appeals challenging the common judgment dated 1st May 2007 of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. The Punjab Roadways was the petitioner in those writ petitions challenging the orders passed by the tribunal on 28 October 2005 directing grant of permits to private operators in various notified routes on the ground that Punjab Roadways was not operating services in spite of grant of permits. In these appeals, the Punjab Roadways has contended that the tribunal as well as the High Court has erred in granting regular permits to the private sector. The Learned Council submitted that substantial portions of the notified route fall under the National State Highways and as per the provision of the 1990 scheme as amended in the year 1997, the mileage of different types of routes in the state of Punjab has to be shared by the private operators in the prescribed ratio mentioned in the scheme. Learned Council submitted that the STU could not operate service due to insufficiency of fleets and dearth of staff, and now STUs are in possession of sufficient number of buses and are in a position to operate services on the notified routes. Learned Council submitted that granting permits falling in the share of private operators would be against the provision of the Act and the rules and the provisions of notified scheme. Learned Council submitted that even if STUs had failed to utilize the permits or surrender the permits or had failed to apply for permits on the notified routes, those vacancies could be filled up only by inviting fresh applications and only temporary permits could be granted in case if there is a public need. Learned Council submitted that the tribunal and the High Court have committed a grave error in directing the RTA to grant regular permits to the private operators on the notified routes, upsetting the ratio fixed by the scheme in gross violation of the proviso to section 104 of the Act. Mr. Jawahar Lal Gupta, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the contesting respondents, submitted that there is no illegality in the order passed by the High Court in directing the grant of stage carriage permits to the private operators, since there was failure on the part of STUs in operating the services in spite of grant of permits. Learned Senior Counsel referred to Rule 128 in bracket 5 of the Punjab Motor Vehicle Rules 1989 and submitted that if the grantees fail to utilize the permit for a period of more than 6 months, the permit would lapse and the grantee is debarred from raising further claims on the grant of permit to the other operators. Learned Senior Counsel also submitted that the High Court was justified in directing the grant of permits to the private operators under Article 226 of the Constitution of India in public interest stop